Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Adam here with Indie Farm Life. Out here trying to wrap up the sewer project I started a few weeks ago. I dug a fair amount off camera this past week because you guys don't want to see the same thing over and over, but as I showed you in that last video, the 580 is doing all the work. That trencher's not here anymore, and well, it has a little bit of trouble with things like this. And while that might look like a big piece of clay there in the back, that is a massive boulder, probably about 3 foot in length. Yeah, the trencher's not going through these things. So I just fueled up the 580 and got fresh batteries in my headphones and gonna get to work. Here's a quick shot of the trench so far. I would say of the 850 foot, I've got roughly almost 800 in. There's not a whole lot more to go. That little run there, about 50 feet or so. So you're gonna see some digging action and then a lot of backfilling. Haven't decided whether I'm using the Deere for that or the Backhoe. Be a more enjoyable afternoon probably on the Deere, but longer. Suspension seat versus not. All right, newcomers, hit that subscribe button. Let's get going. And yes, guys, I have my glasses on again. I got a lot of flack in one of my videos before. They thought I was a different person for not having my glasses on. It's my MO now. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. You guys like how full my bucket is? Can't get it cleaned out. Well, I can, but it fills back up in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna try to clean it out. It's actually decently dry through here now, so hopefully it won't pack in so bad. But that water's coming. Well, you could just about call that a wrap on digging. Found that pretty sizable rock there. I'm curious to see it when it's cleaned up. It almost looks like a piece of granite. You guys can tell the color there, but it's got a real dark gray to it. I was hoping it was bigger than that actually, and it may have been. I kind of broke a piece off. I don't know. It's tucked further in the sidewall there, but there's a shot of the trench. I think I'm going to lay the pipe in and backfill it to this point. I've got about, what, 15 feet to the sewer itself. So I want to get this run cleaned up and closed up first before I tackle plumbing that in. It's actually a lot quicker than I thought. I'm gonna grab some 53 for that connection and stick with it. Probably do some off camera though. I'm not completely done down that way, but close enough. I don't want to overfill my trench, but I still have a few feet to excavate. But by and large, about got this thing licked. Still have to hook it up to the manhole, but I would call the hard work or the hard portion of this done. Gonna do a quick pass with a Gannon and clean this up a little bit, as I always like to do, and then call this a day in a video. So I'll say my goodbyes now. If you guys didn't already, hit that subscribe button and come back and see us. All kinds of random projects on the way. Now I'll stop yapping and let the Gannon take us home. Enjoy. See you guys Tuesday at 9.